Namaskar, I am Dr. Nutan. Welcome to my Masterclass on Indian Sciences of Wellbeing. In this section, I will be teaching on Asana practice and philosophy. Asana is the third step in yoga. It is nothing but it's the stable and comfortable posture of your body. But then also it should be done under the guidance of qualified yoga teacher. We will be teaching this asana practice, which includes standing, sitting, supine and prone postures along with some yogic practices which will improve your breathing work. Now, how this asana benefits you? These asana are nothing but these are going to improve your muscle flexibility, which indirectly helps you to calm your mind as well. Asana benefits in many ways. It improves your muscle and joints movement. It stimulates your digestive fire and improves your metabolism. It helps your activities by disciplining your mind because muscle and minds are related with each other. Now it also de-stress you because as we know that the stress is the main cause of many diseases. Not only this, but asana also brings the flexibility in our thinking process.